Here we have a Honda Civic FD style, FD2 front end, converted set of headlights. We got a brand new set of depot headlamps and retrofitted the headlights with the Morimoto Mini D2S 5.0 projectors. We also use the Apollo 3.0 shrouds. These headlights have a black and chrome kind of theme, so the customer also wanted the reflector bulb behind the projector blacked out. We think it makes for a really good contrast overall with the black and chrome on the bezel, and then the chrome shroud with the black surround behind it. It looks really good. Now you can see the demonize working here. We use the profile Prism demonize, RGB demonize. Right now they're in a color cycling mode. But of course you can pick, your static colors. Here we're kind of scrolling through the wheel here, just setting the colors to what we need it to be. You can also turn them off, or go bright white or off. A lot of good features in this app. Really easy to use. We're not using these aren't using some generic controller or any type of like addressable LED system, so reliability is definitely much better than some of those typically cheaper systems that you find that have chasing color effects and whatnot. But these definitely give you the ability to have a bunch of different modes and color themes that you can choose. Now this whole package is complete with a Morimoto HID kit. This is a D2S based system, so he did receive a D2S HID kit with it. We're going to cut it on here just to kind of give you an idea. This is with the HID system on. These demonize also, right now they're still on, but when they're wired up properly to the vehicle, they have a remote shut off, so the demonize will power off when the HIDs are on to prolong their life. Here we just manually cut them off. You definitely don't want the demonize running while the HIDs are on. If you have any questions, you can visit us on the web at VisionAutoworks.com. Order a package like this for yourself. Spec it out. A lot of modifications that can be added. This one was fairly straightforward. Just simple blackout paint on the reflector, D2S 5.0 conversion, and RGB demonize. If you have any other questions, you can reach us by phone or text 469-440-9449. Thank you.